Welcome. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out, as it's the first time I've ever done a video like this, but I've been wanting to do it for a little while. Spring is on its way, and the trees are starting to bud, so it's a nice bright sunny day out. Thought I'd come out and see what I can get at a local conservation area. Obviously there's still some snow on the ground. We will see what we can get. I apologize if the camera angle sucks. A lot of freaking snow, Jesus. Trees are starting to bud and whatnot, so yeah, it's not, the buds aren't as good out this way on some of the trees, but I'm shooting my 50 mil nifty 50 on my Canon 7D. Go manual focus. Got my shutter speed at 1/125, f-stop at 4.0, and auto ISO. Turn my shutter speed up. Yeah, 1/1600. Had to turn the shutter speed up because the one image was very blown out. Some of these trees, I don't know if you can pick it up, it's starting to bud already. With all this snow that is freaking like super deep in some spots. Got this tree right here budding. Just trying to get back into the swing of things, really. It's not a very big conservation area. Might be like a 2-kilometer loop. I've come out here before, a couple times actually. Even though it's 5 degrees, the sun is like pretty warm already, and it's only February. But like, look at this tree right here. Got the red tips. Turn my f-stop up. My shutter speed down. Yeah, I don't know if are gonna turn out. I don't even know if this video is gonna turn out. Just the amount of shaking that comes with the type of bag that I got. Got some nice fuzzy buds here. F-stop down again. Put the shutter speed up. With the other, oh, could turn out okay. And some of these have like a little bit of a frost on the end, but it's not terrible. Here there's hardly any snow, but then back there it's like up to my knees, and I'm 6'2", so it's like holy crap. Did bring my drone with me as well. Maybe get like an aerial shot. We'll see. So far, feeling pretty good. Yeah, borders a farmer's field. Their field's over there. It's just like a little conservation area. more or less just want to try to capture a little bit of the spring ambiance or spring vibe. I can't own composition, I guess, maybe. I don't know why the lens comes out and then it seems like it sticks. That's okay. This tree is pretty cool this way. Trying to use the sky, the blue sky on the back, and the shadows from the sun to create some sort of depth. The shadows from the sunshine work in my favor. Seeing if I can't use like a snowbank maybe as like a composition maybe. I don't know. Get some depth from the natural blown snow that's kind of melting. Not a professional by all means, I'm just a hobbyist, but this is pretty fun. Like, not far from the road, but this is pretty cool. Nice, quaint, quiet little area. Maybe see if I can't get that tree to really pop with all the dead leaves. Where I let the shadows and the sun work with me. Surprised more of the trees aren't budding actually. Got a wet butt from my heel. That's okay. The app that I use to adjust up my images, I do it on my tablet, and it's called Snapseed. Most of the time I just use some sort of filter. Got some nice moss here, and maybe get it to work. Get the light coming in from the 90. Listen to me talking like I know what I'm talking about. So bear with me. I'm gonna deploy the drone. I'll be back in a sec. I always have a difficult time. I always have a difficult time like getting it to go off. Although probably shouldn't. If you saw the drone footage at the start of this video, then you know that the footage was usable. I'm still brand new at using drones. I got that for my other channel. I'm hopefully going to be able to use this summer when I'm out. But back to seeing what we can capture. Some nice moss on it. Sun's hitting it just right. Back up a bit. Nope. Off the beaten path a bit. I originally got into photography because I thought it would be a cool thing to add to my motorcycle channel. Started out shooting different places on my bike, which grew into nature. Decided to bring it along with us, and it's kind of become a staple in our house where me and the wife go for nature walks in different areas, bring the camera and see what I can get. Sometimes you just gotta veer off the path just to get some unique shots. Yeah, because the water is all the way up. Got some nice moss down there. See if I can't bring it out. Oh, there we go. I have an idea. Let's see. So there's that leaf. I didn't put it there. And I know somebody that didn't put it there would say I didn't put it there. But honestly, I didn't put it there. But I have an idea. Yeah, my butt is so wet from crouching down on my boots. See what I can get here. My car's still there. Yep. Okay. Just wanted to double check. The buds are almost opening. Oh, see this little leaf? Let's see if I can work with that. Some of the lines. See if I can't get some green working with the brown in the background, maybe. Might be too busy though. Before I end this though, if you've made it this far and you're just looking to maybe get into photography, but people have discouraged you, screw what they say. get out, get yourself a camera. It doesn't have to be expensive. This is a thrifted one. I bought it used. Works just as good as the brand new high-end expensive ones. Just as long as you get out and you enjoy what you're doing, who cares what people say? Get out, enjoy it, and start capturing the moments. See you in the next one.